Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Conbrov. This is their T33 1080p mini spy camera. You can check this out on Amazon at the time of this review for $54.99, and I will have the link in the description below as usual. Let's dig into this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get the box open, this is all the stuff that you get inside everything. Of course, they're going to give you a user manual for the T33. This is a well laid out manual. It's all in English. The print is good. I didn't have any problems. This is going to show you how to reset, safety precautions, hooking it up to your PC, button layouts, how to put the modes in, and all of the things that go into that. So there are two modes that you can use: motion detection, and you can use manual recording. So that's pretty cool that you get both of them. We'll go over the tech specs real quick, and I'll leave these up so if you want to freeze this, you can. It's a DC 5-volt power supply. It does have infrared. The infrared type is 940. It's at 45 degrees. It is a polymer lithium battery. It's a 1000 milliamp battery. The video format is AVI. The resolution is 1080p, 720p, or VGA. The lens angle is 110 degrees, and the max micro SD card capacity is 32 gigabytes. You've got your night vision distance, your PIR distance, and detection angle there. Max daytime recording is going to be 6 hours. Max night vision recording is going to be 3 hours. But the motion detection standby mode time is up to a year. So if you put this in motion detection mode, they claim that this will last for up to a year without having to recharge that 1000 milliamp battery, which is really cool. Because what's going to happen with the motion detection is it is going to just catch motion, take a couple seconds of a video, and then save it to the card. So that's actually really cool that it'll stand by that long. Now, they do have a notice here that says Amazon and United States relevant laws say that they are forbidden to sell covert cameras with audio on Amazon. Now, the interesting thing is if you go to Conbrov.com, you can actually get files that will enable the audio if you want to. So it is audio capable, but out of the box from Amazon, you will not be able to record audio because of the laws that they have in place here in the United States and, of course, with Amazon. They do not have the one for the T33 up on the website at the time of the review, but I'm sure they will put it up. They do give you a reset pin here. You can see you get a 12-month warranty from Conbrov, and all of their information is here. Again, support at Conbrov.com, or if you want to check them out on their website, you can just go to www.conbrov.com. Now, let's take a look at our little magnetic holder here. If you put it in an extreme angle, it's going to have issues, but they do have some 3M tape to hold it down, so if you have it in a permanent spot, no problems whatsoever. They do give you a micro USB to USB, kind of just an adapter here. Again, the card is not included, so you're going to have to supply your own micro USB card. It'll take 8 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes, and it has to be formatted in FAT32. Now, this is your connection cable. It's just a standard USB to micro USB cable. You have that magnetic stand, which actually does work pretty well in most orientations, unless you're all the way to the side, then it'll kind of fall over. But it's going to give you a really good angle, especially with that 110 degree lens that it has on it to pretty much capture everything in the room. So I do like this. This is kicked over pretty far and it still hasn't fallen over, and the magnet is nice and strong. If we take a look at the unit itself, you're going to see on the back we're going to have some LEDs at the top. This is going to show you what modes you're in, micro SD card slot obviously, and of course your micro USB charge port. On the top you're going to have two buttons here we'll go over in just a second. On the right you're going to have a reset hole, and of course the lens is on the front. Now, these two modes, the top one is a manual mode, and again, you can get up to 6 hours on that 1000 milliamp battery doing manual recording, or the bottom one, which is your motion detection. And that one is, both of them are very easy to set up. You're just going to hold down the button for a few seconds, and it's going to light up, and then this secondary LED will blink. Once it blinks, that means you're ready to go, and now we're in motion detection mode. So if I wave my hand in front of this and it catches motion, you're going to see the blue light come on, and it's going to record the motion that it detected, and then it's going to write it to the SD card slot. Same thing for manual recording. You're just going to want to hold down the button pointing towards the front of the camera until you get that, and it'll put it in manual recording mode. It'll flash a few times and then you are automatically recording, and I'll show you that here really quickly. But as you can see, the detection mode works very well, and it works up to about 16 feet away. So if we hold down the front button here, we're going to hold this in, and it is now in manual, and that blinks, and once it does blink, they will go out. And when they go out, it means you are actually manually recording. And again, you're going to have that for up to 6 hours, but if the IR LEDs are kicking in for night mode, you're going to only have enough battery power for 3 hours of continuous recording. So you get, 3 or 6 hours depending on whether it's night mode or daytime, and it does a pretty good job. I'm going to have a little clip here that I recorded in 1080p. It was snowing outside, and I thought I'd take it outside and just record some of that. So let me get that up here for you, and then we'll take it to the close of the review so that you can see the quality. Okay, so this is 1080p video, and of course it's upscaled to 4K because that's what I'm uploading to YouTube. It looks even better in 1080p native format. This is outside. This is, in a not a great lighting condition just because it's overcast and it's snowy, but it is daytime, and it still looks pretty good. And be warned, you can get 6 hours of recording on this through that 1000 milliamp battery. And the motion detection, if I had this on motion detection, say, somebody walked by my front door, something like that, you can get up to a year's worth of battery time. Overall, I really am pretty pleased with the quality at 1080p that this puts out. I think Conbrov did a great job on this. Other than that, that's the sample. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to take this to the end of the review and my conclusions, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is my review of the Conbrov T33 mini spy camera. Again, you can get it on Amazon for an awesome price at the time of this review for $54.99, and I'll have that link in the description below. Overall, I think this is a decent camera. I wish it had Wi-Fi in it so that you could hook up a mobile device and maybe check in from home type thing. It only does local recording, which is something that is okay, but I think it would have been better if they had put some sort of Wi-Fi function into it so that you could have it internet connected and be able to check in on it at home. Other than that, the picture is really good. This fact that you can have a very, very decent battery life up to a year on motion detection only is awesome. And even 6 hours for the manual during daytime. And the fact that it will shoot at night. So if you have this set up in your home and it's nighttime and the IR picks up something, it will still record it, and that's awesome. So overall, I think Conbrov did a great job on this. I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the T33, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video. Sunny day.